Ever wondered the reason behind every Tata commercial vehicle's friction-free smooth journey? It's none other than Tata Genuine Bearings. Tata Genuine Parts offers a wide range of bearings, geometrically designed to perfectly fit OE specifications. Let's take a closer look at a classic ball bearing components. Up first are the steel balls, which are also the rolling elements. They are held together by a cage made of low friction material and can come in different shapes. Then we have the inner ring which moves and an outer ring. Both have grooves in order to make the rolling elements glide. It is very common for the bearing to also be shielded. The shield can be made of metal for dust protection, or it can be made of plastic, preventing liquid infiltration. They are placed in specific locations between the two rings so they can protect the balls and the cage from external agents. At the same time, they can retain oil or grease inside the bearing, keeping it lubricated for its entire life cycle. In order to work correctly, bearings need a certain radial and axial clearance so that when they reach the working temperature, their thermal expansion won't lead to over-tightening, which would cause the bearing to wear out or in the worst case, even a seizure. Tata Genuine Parts offers two different types of bearings range, ball bearings and roller bearings, with balls and rollers being the key rotary components of each. We can further divide the ball bearing range into deep groove bearing, angular contact bearing and self-aligning bearing. Deep groove bearings are among the most used bearings. They can have a single row of balls or double grooves with two rows of balls, which can withstand high radial loads. Self-aligning bearings have two rings of balls with an inner ring with two grooves placed side by side, while the outer ring has only one hemispherical groove. This system allows the inclination of the two rings' axis during the functioning. Angular contact bearing has either one or two rings of spheres. They typically have an oblique position respective to the axis of rotation of the load line passing through the contact points between the balls and the rings. They can withstand high radial loads and axial forces. And now, let's take a look at Tata Genuine Parts roller bearings. There are three different types of roller bearings. They are cylindrical bearings, taper bearings, and needle bearings. Cylindrical roller bearings are the most common type of roller bearings. They can take radial loads easily. Needle bearings have small rollers. Thanks to their compactness, they are used when space is limited and they can only withstand radial loads. Third variety is the taper bearings. They are obliquely shaped and are used in case of combined load. These types of bearings are generally used in pairs. They usually have inverse taper. Our entire bearing range has an enhanced surface finish to prevent wear and tear and regularly deliver improved performance in all conditions. Tata Genuine Parts knows what's best for your Tata commercial vehicles, and we give you 6 reasons why you should choose only Tata Genuine bearings for your vehicle. Affordable price, reduced wear and tear, better load carrying capacity, longer life, better operating efficiency, wide range. With so many benefits on offer and a wide range of bearings to choose from, all you need to do is sit back and enjoy a smooth and friction-free ride.